Mnangagwa grooming military son to take over power. The 31st of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has brought his soldier son, Major Sean Mnangagwa, into the heart of state security operations in what insiders believe is a carefully crafted succession strategy. Military intelligence sources revealed that the younger Mnangagwa, who serves in the Presidential Guard, is being groomed to learn the levers of power with an eye on ultimately inheriting his father's position. The Presidential Guard, a strategic battalion responsible for safeguarding the head of state and securing Zimbabwe's political establishment, has become Sean's training ground. Although it is not unusual for Guard officers to work closely with the president, observers note that Sean's case is unique, as his position combines family ties and state duty, creating a potential conflict of interest. Military path to power. Reports suggest plans are underway to elevate Sean to a senior rank, possibly brigadier or general, placing him in command of the Guard. Such a move would cement his influence in the military chain of command and enhance his credibility as a potential successor. Since 2023, Sean has traveled with Mnangagwa on most official assignments, often acting as chief of security on both local and international trips. Just this week, he accompanied the president to the Vatican, further fueling speculation that Mnangagwa is deliberately exposing him to diplomacy and global statecraft. Business ties and influence. Beyond military duties, Sean has been linked to business networks tied to Mnangagwa's administration, particularly through his proximity to controversial businessman KUTYA. Sources allege that Sean and his twin brother Collins operate private offices guarded by state security, where they vet investors seeking access to the president. Business people are reportedly required to pay fees to secure meetings, raising concerns about a parallel power structure controlled by the First Family. Analysts sound alarm. Political analysts warn that Mnangagwa's strategy resembles efforts by other African leaders to entrench dynastic rule. What we are witnessing is a calculated attempt to merge state security with family interests. One analyst said, by positioning his son in the Guard and giving him exposure to international affairs, Mnangagwa is effectively grooming him for eventual leadership. Critics also question whether the president's Vision 2030 plan, billed as an economic roadmap, doubles as a political tool to delay a competitive election while buying time to prepare Sean for leadership. Opposition figures argue that prolonged timelines under Vision 2030 could conveniently allow Sean to grasp the concept of power before stepping into his father's shoes. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba was unavailable for comment at the time of writing.